Good morning. Slight change in political fortunes has rendered UPA second paralyzed for the past several weeks. After last week's postponement of EGM on diesel price, the centre has deferred a call on urea deregulation as well. Also, Murli Devra has confirmed there won't be any hike in LPG or diesel price for now. The trend of go slow on reforms may continue given the current political equation and a couple of important state elections this year. A spate of scams has besieged the Congress-led regime even as the inflation remains stubbornly high. And while the bumper harvest of 3G auction and disinvestment will see it meet fiscal deficit target, current account gap has spiked to 4% of GDP. At the same time, economic reports in the US have been encouraging lately, powering the rally on Wall Street in recent days. Even the European markets have held their own, so the underperformance of India is disconcerting. One has to wait and see whether we can break the pattern. We expect an improved start going into trade today and perhaps a better day amid firm overseas markets. But there might be some softening later in the day as momentum and conviction are in short supply these days. But one should not get unduly worried and have a bit more patience. The short-term direction will hinge on global cues, quarterly earnings and the outcome of RBI's policy meeting. Stock-centric action is likely to be the order in the coming days, but be careful while dealing with the volatile small-cap and mid-cap shares. Support for Nifty is seen in 5,900 to 6,000 range, while resistance is likely to be between 6,200 to 6,300. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 2.4 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional investors were net sellers at Rs 1.01 billion. FIIs were net sellers of Rs 4.68 billion in the F&O segment on the same day. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 7.79 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, according to the SEBI website. Moving on to our recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend buying Tata Power above Rs 1,402 with a stop loss placed at Rs 1,385 and for the target price of Rs 1,442. We advise buying Mundra Port above Rs 158 with stop loss of Rs 155 and for the target price of Rs 165. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Dr. Reddy's January futures in the range of Rs 1,712 to Rs 1,714 for the target price of Rs 1,738 and with the stop loss placed at Rs 1,699. Long ITC January futures in the range of Rs 180 to 181 for the target price of Rs 186 and with the stop loss placed at Rs 177. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.